Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I have been working on developing an online budget system using PHP and MySQL database. In my last video I completed the functionality of designing head dashboard, and in this video I will discuss about completing the remaining feature, which is designing the employee dashboard. This is the last video of our tutorial series, and before starting this feature I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video and if you guys like this complete tutorial series, then click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let us move forward to complete this remaining feature of designing dashboard of a normal employee. So here you can see I have logged in as one of the department heads, and the head name is Jacob, and he has one employee whose name is Eric Miller is assigned to his department. Now I need to design the dashboard of Eric Miller. So whenever a normal employee like Eric logged in to his dashboard with their credentials, then right now you can see this kind of dashboard is displaying. Here I have only displayed the name of the logged in user. So now we need to go to our editor. The functionality of developing the dashboard of a normal employee is exactly similar to the dashboard of department head. So here what we need to do is we need to come to our employee dashboard, and here you can see I have included emp sidebar PHP file. So here that's file. So what I will do is I will open head sidebar, and I will copy and I will paste it, save it. Okay, and I will make few changes, like here instead of head I will make it as emp, and here as well I will make it as emp. I will copy that and I will paste it here, emp user id, and then here I will change it to get emp image. Here I will change it to emp. Okay, and here as well emp. Here I need to change edit emp profile, update emp profile, save it. Now let's refresh. Okay, now you can see sidebar started displaying. Here is displaying budget not allocated. So what I will do, I will remove this entire PHP code because I don't want to display budget to a normal employee. I'll save this. Okay, I will refresh. Now I need to design the feature of edit profile. So for edit profile as well, I will be taking the code of edit profile feature from my head department section. Okay, so I will go back to my editor and I will open file edit profile. Okay, and I will copy this entire code and I will create one file, save it, edit emp profile.php, and I will paste it here, save it. And now I will make some changes. I will make it as emp, copy, paste here as well, and then here emp sidebar. Okay, next edit emp. Okay, because now I am sending a post request to edit emp profile PHP file, and here as well I need to change to emp user id. Now save it. Let's refresh. Okay, now I will click on edit profile. Okay, now you can see all the details of this normal employee started showing inside these text boxes. Now I need to update the image. So I will select image of the logged in user and I will try to click on edit profile. Okay, so now it's taking me back to login page. Now let us see what's the error. Okay, so here it should be emp user id, and here it should be emp profile, edit emp profile. Now save it, and now I will again log in as a normal employee. Okay, I will click on edit profile, and I will choose an image. And now when I click on edit profile, now you can see the image started showing on the left sidebar. And now let us see whether that image gets saved inside the folder or not. Okay, so the image gets saved in the folder as well, and now we will see whether the image path gets saved in the database or not. I will refresh the table, and you can see uploads/eric.jpg path is showing inside the image column. Okay, so this is how we can design and develop the feature of updating the profile of a normal employee. So this is the last video of our complete tutorial series. So I hope you guys understood, and I am sure you guys have learned lot of things from this complete tutorial series. And I just recommend you guys to watch this complete tutorial series so that you can learn more and more things from this series. This is the last video of this tutorial series, and I will come back with other project very soon. Till then, thanks for watching, and if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.